I've taken a break for some story time. Just you and me on the roadside talking about stuff that is unknown to me right now, but धीरे धीरे समझ में आएगा that how I'm able to talk about stuff. But let's start with why I'm doing this, right? Why am I making all the effort and time to do 3,000 kilometer across India? First of all, am I a crazy person? Yes. Do I have no job? Yes. Uh, do I have uh, do I have the guts to do it? Yes. So this is what I tell people: if you can imagine to do it, you can do it. If you can imagine, just imagine to wake up at 6 in the morning, you can do it. But if you will not imagine to wake up at 6 in the morning, you will not wake up. If you can imagine you can bake a pizza by yourself without any help, you can do it. If you can imagine to do something that you've never done before, you can do it. So that is how it started. I just imagined that what if, what if I take out precious 3 months from my life and do something which is gonna be an adventure of an entire life. I decided to go for it. So now when I'm on it, I'm realizing that how my life has been in these past 27 years. And in my understanding, I'm not a guru or I'm not any master's in degree of mental education, but in my understanding, what I feel is that when we are born with a lot of emotional pain. We pick up things, we collect information, we store it all in the mind, and over the years, this emotional pain keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So, what do we do? In that case, people need to understand, like how I understood, that you have to constantly drop those emotional, painful memories. The moment we start dropping these painful memories, we actually make space to live our life more peacefully. And how do you drop? How do you drop the pain? I think the answer is very simple. The God has created everything in polarity. Everything is in a pair, in two. If you have pain, you can reduce pain by sharing love, by sharing happiness, by serving the community, serving your people, serving your friends, serving yourself first. So, like I'm doing this yatra, on the way, I meet people who are sometimes not very kind to me. They are very rude to me. Whenever I enter, I request an access to something which most of the people don't do. But I'm the crazy one on the road like this who's requesting for a very exclusive access to something. They're very rude and they like push me out. But there are some people who are so welcoming. They sort of welcome me, smile with a very beautiful smile, and they serve me food. They give me access to where I want to go. They give me access to the washrooms. By the way, the biggest way of dropping the fear on a yatra like this is to get comfortable with the discomfort, because there are series of discomfort during the day. I don't know where I'm gonna take rest. I don't know where I'm gonna brush my teeth. I don't know where I'm gonna eat food. There is no fixed place for anything. But still, if I get comfortable with the idea that wherever I go, I can trust the universe, I can trust the environment, that there will be people, there will be resources where I'll be able to do all the things that I want to do in my daily routine. I can do it, and so far I've been able to do it. So that's a little story break where honestly I had stopped down to get some shade under the tree, and I decided let's just talk to you. Here is a beautiful view behind me. These are all the western ghats of Tamil Nadu. They look beautiful from here, but they're very far away. It looks very close, but it's very far away. I have to take this road, and whenever I try to take the road, there is some village or some people who live there who have animals, right? These animals are trying to protect that space. So whenever I try to cross their way, they try to attack me. Like 3 or 4 dogs just come straight running at me, even the cows and the bulls. So respecting their space, I try to not intrude in the environment, stay away from them as much as possible, because that's their sacred space. So I don't try to enter that space. But whenever I can get a chance, I will try to go in and get closer to the mountains, and maybe spend a night there. Yeah. Cheers. End of the story time. Next day, next time, new story. Bye bye.